Here's a better video of the builder fan, craftmade builder fan. Light, fans on low.
Is this your phone?
That's my phone. That's low. It's polished brass. I'm okay with polished brass, but I like antique brass. I would like it better if it was antique brass. This polished brass doesn't go well, so maybe like white. That's medium. Hums a little bit. The kids are going upstairs. This is pretty quick. Better videos have to be very quick. Can't reverse it because the reverse is all the way high. And my mom doesn't want me reversing fans, so I'll reverse the concertina. I'm not going to do spin down, by the way. Thanks for watching.